How to install Google Play Store on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to install Google Play Store on Android. So the Google Play Store is typically already installed or pre-installed on most Android devices, and if it's still not visible, it might be hidden or disabled in settings. So make sure you have selected long press on this home screen and just head over to your settings, which will take you to the home screen settings. Simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is hide apps on the home screen and app screen. So make sure if there's any application that is hidden, such as your Google Play Store, make sure you have unchecked that application from over here. So if your application such as Play Store is selected, you can simply remove it by clicking on this minus button over here. So once you make sure of that, and if it's truly missing, you can actually download it by enabling unknown sources in your settings if needed, then downloading the Google Play Store APK from a trusted site like apkmirror.com. So you can actually head over to apkmirror.com and simply click on search bar and search in for Play Store just like this. So once you search in for the Play Store, make sure you select the latest version and just press on that and simply download it from over here as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.